see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living? Should I blast myself? I'm tired of being born equal worse than black. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops don't give a damn about an afros. Pull a trick, a killer black is a hero. Give a crack to the kids, who the hell cares? One less hunger mouth on the welfare. First ship a double letter to the brothers. Give them gun, step back, watch you kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey says. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love from my brother, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see me as a brother instead of two strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be. How could the devil take a brother who was close to me? A lot to go back to when we played this game, but things changed, and that's the way it is. First of all, this is our country. Let me tell you how it goes. We want peace and we will love. We will pray and teach you don't. It's a chance if you die. Let's see what the future holds. My life is on the line, right behind the bullet holes. I do it for my family, I do it for my soul. Some grew up without a family, playing stories I'm told. My life is in the book, some of the pages would unfold. It's him against the world, and only God knows. We have to let them know they did not die in vain. Even though they lost their families, I can still feel your pain. Some things will never change, some things will stay the same.